Good morning. This is Ken Law from Tortoise Capital with an update of the swing portfolio for April 6th, 2016. This is the midweek update, so we'll go through this pretty quick. So Apple, we're still long from here. In the money, I'll add above 113. Amazon still in the money. Nice recovery today. Target the 270. AXP still in the still in the trade at break even. I'll stop and go short if this fails. Caterpillar still in the trade, slightly below water, slightly underwater, I should say. CPG. Still tracking. Chevron at about break. We're just now at break even. This looks promising with an uptick to the 10. DuPont break even, but starting to look like it's weakening. Dollar General still in the trade. We flirted with the exit today, but it's still held. Diamonds, about half an hour in hand, looking to get above 179. I'll add a second position there. We had been short last week on Disney, covered, just stalking right now. This looks promising on 1-2. We're flat in the Dow trade. Devon Energy got long today at 27 with an initial stop at 25. So $2 we're looking for 29 and then 33. Emerging markets still long, about at break even. It almost hit the stop today. Had almost 2 hour in hand on the second day of this trade. I've just watched it suffer, but the 10 hasn't come through the dragon yet, although the dragon has rolled over, the 30 has rolled over. We got an RLCO outside the river. If it fails to red, then that is a owl pattern, and we'll go short from here with a target, 3 targets as you see to the downside. Let's go Mexico. 1 hour loss. That one was at 1 hour in hand. Not much we could do about that one with that gap down. This might have been the moment to scratch, but that wasn't the indication at the time. That's one that got away. Brazil scratched, maybe minus 0.2 here. Got short on Thursday, or on Tuesday, excuse me. In the money on that trade, looking for the 270. Really, first test will be 23, then the 270 at 19. That one's going to pay off if we get any kind of weakness here in the broad market. South Africa is at break even after being a little over an hour in hand. Facebook still long. Little 1-2-3 recovery. That's not bad. China long, we're at break even after being an hour in hand. Google, we're long in 2 positions here, in the money in both. Goldman Sachs long from 154, just about at break even. The Russell long from 108. Reasonable recovery. I'll add at 114. U.S. real estate long from 75.90, looking good. I'll add a second position above 78.50. JP Morgan about half an hour underwater on this one. I'll go short if this fails. Probably should have just covered it today. But we'll take it one more day. Get the owl pattern shaping up here. Coca-Cola, long from 45.90, about a little under an hour in hand, in good shape. Lowe's, we have 2 positions on board in really good shape. I'll add a 3rd position above 78.50. McDonald's, this is 1 position, 2nd position, still looking good. I'll add a 3rd one above 129. I got to raise the stop on that one. We got 2 positions in. 3M still long, about an hour in hand, looking okay. Microsoft is next. We're long from 50.75. Our stop is here. This is where I'm going to look to add that 2nd position above 56. Nike, 1 hour loss on this one. It failed. Owl pattern. This was stop and reverse. We're just slightly in the money on this one. Pfizer, this was a gift from the gods. This is a Z3 breakout, and we hit it on Tuesday. Great big follow through. This is a one of our current targets for intraday trading, to get some turbo on that. Let's just take a quick look just while we're here. That's what the this was from today. That's what today's price action. You can turbo you can enter anywhere on that one, and it's not painful. On our standard 3-minute look, I mean, there's the hybrid frog breakout. 1 pocket, 2 pockets, 3 pockets. The fish are jumping into the boat on that one. Let's see. I'm going to scale this in a little bit. Procter & Gamble, still long from 82. Getting ready to make a breakout. Maybe a sympathetic move with Pfizer. Just tracking the Qs, looking strong. S&P, not as strong as the Qs, but I like the fact that the Euro 270 is starting to roll up. The 90's rolling up. Got to get above this 212 all-time high. Treasuries, not trading this. That was just a channel I'm looking at, but this is pricing in some hedges against the market retracement, I guess. 2 days down though. Not trading that one. Tesla, got first entry at 228. Added a 2nd position today. United Health took our exit yesterday here on the RL regression line crossing the dragon, and the dragon was out of the river here, so that just seemed like a natural place to get it done. About 1.5 hour, maybe 2. Oil, we're short. We're back at about break even after being about an hour up. United Tech, long, about a half an hour in hand. The VIX, just watching this. We're trading this one intraday, but just watching. I'm still liking my exit over here at about 18. Could make the argument that it should have re-entered here. I wouldn't be offended by that insight. That's just not one we took. Spider sense. Verizon, long from 54, just slightly underwater. Walmart long from 68, still okay. Win cashed this move today for about an R after being about 2R in hand. Feel I could have done better on that one. XIV still have the two long positions here and from here, both in the money. Got to move our stop up underneath this. I'm going to move it up even further. I don't want that second trade going negative. Right to about there. Metals and mining, still long at about flat. ExxonMobil, just stalking. So we're in pretty good shape across the board. This leg up, showing more resilience than I thought. I'm very concerned about the risk index rolling over and starting to set up the owl pattern on the short side for more and more symbols. So we're approaching a critical state of the market here. So keep your risk measured and your powder dry. And we'll see you this weekend.